We want to test this pump. I have a power cord. Let me plug it on power. Stop it. Connect it. So you can see it's running. This indicates that it's okay. But if we connect it to the washing machine, everything is set and the motherboard is set. So let us connect it to power. This is the washing machine power cord. We have an extension here. The board has slipped. Let me put it to a spring cycle. So right now the pump should be rotating because it has 1 minute to empty the water. So the pump is still. It has stalled. There's no function at all. Meaning power from the motherboard, there's no power coming from the motherboard to the pump. You can see the machine has started spinning. So the motherboard is full too. So in case there was water in the drum, it could not be emptied. You will have to empty it manually.